Hey there! Ever thought your trusty cutting board could be hiding a dirty secret? Spoiler alert, it totally is. These kitchen staples, which we rely on for our food preparation, are sneaky culprits when it comes to harboring bacteria. You may use them every day without even thinking twice, but each time you slice and dice, you're leaving behind tiny food particles. To put it simply, your cutting board is like a 5-star hotel for germs, a gourmet buffet just waiting for bacteria to feast upon. Now, let's talk about those knife marks that develop over time. Each cut creates a little groove where food bits and juices can get trapped. Those grooves, they're basically bacteria condos. Germs find a cozy home there, feeling quite at ease, especially if we don't clean them thoroughly. And here's the real shocker. It doesn't matter whether your cutting board is wood or plastic, both have their own unique ways of harboring bacteria if not cleaned properly. You might think wood is safer because of its natural antimicrobial properties, but it can still become a breeding ground for germs if not maintained properly. Similarly, plastic boards can develop scratches where bacteria love to hide. So, what can you do to tackle this hidden menace in your kitchen? How do we ensure that our cutting boards remain safe and clean? The solution is simple and easy to implement. After each use, it's crucial to scrub that board with hot, soapy water. This helps remove food particles and disrupts the environment that bacteria thrive in. Make sure to give it a thorough scrub, especially in those grooves where food tends to hide. For an extra safety boost, consider a vinegar rinse. Vinegar is a natural disinfectant and can help eliminate even more bacteria that soap might leave behind. Just mix equal parts of vinegar and water in a spray bottle, give your board a good spritz, let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then rinse with water. That will provide an additional layer of protection. But wait, there's more. When your cutting board starts looking like a battlefield, scratched, stained, or just plain worn out, it might be time to retire it. A worn cutting board can harbor bacteria that everyday cleaning just can't reach. Investing in new cutting boards when they've seen better days is essential for your kitchen health. Consider having multiple boards for different types of food, one for veggies, one for meat, for example, to avoid cross-contamination. In conclusion, don't underestimate the cutting board's role in your kitchen safety. Keep it clean, respect the power of proper sanitation, and chop safely. Remember, a little attention to detail today can prevent health hazards tomorrow. Stay healthy and happy cooking, everyone. And if you learned something new today, feel free to share this knowledge with friends and family to keep their kitchens safe too.